Welcome to UPSC Back in 2015, a group of aspirants aimed at cracking the CSE examinations with law as the optional paper. The aspirants had to face enormous difficulties in finding appropriate study materials, notes and video lectures, resulting in a great wastage of time and energy. In spite of the difficulties, some managed to crack and some could not. That's exactly when the idea of coming up with a dedicated platform for Law Optional was conceived. We at Law Optional provide the most effective guidance to deal with the existing shortcomings a Law Optional aspirant comes across. Mere provision of notes without giving a scope of in-depth learning is a challenge candidates often face. We provide distinct notes on all topics and synchronize them with explanatory video lectures. Further, lack of test series and prompt evaluation put the candidates at a disadvantageous position when compared to candidates with other optional papers like economics, sociology, geography, etc. Here, we ensure that the answers are evaluated at the earliest, preferably within 5 days. The shortcomings of the standard textbooks and materials available in the market fail to link the UPSC Law Optional syllabus with current affairs. However, this is well taken care of by our academic team. Why we have the potential to be the best? Our key takeaways are: our lectures and content are designed by NLU graduates, each one of whom has written CSE mains with law. We have individual mentorship with unlimited interactive sessions. Hence, we are the one-stop solution for law optional preparations. Why our notes are the best for CSE? Our notes have been meticulously compiled from standard textbooks, other materials and websites. We have revision notes including a list of case laws for easy memorization and last-minute touch-ups. As it goes without saying that for some topics, citing case laws are inevitable and a key strategy towards scoring 300 or above. The best things about our test series. Our test series is specially designed keeping in mind the trend of questions asked in the last 20 years and targets to enhance the answer writing skills with proper time management. Our answer evaluation is prompt and done within 5 days. Individual mentoring is an added advantage for candidates. As acknowledged by previous toppers, reading and revision are of no use unless one can frame a beautiful answer. Keeping in mind the requirement of the examination, we are offering 4 courses. Our first course is the Target 300 Plus course and its duration is 200 days. This course includes topic-wise notes, video lectures, revision notes including a list of cited case laws, 25 full-length and topic-wise tests and 1:1 mentorship. Our second course is the Target 300 Plus Crash Course. This course is as comprehensive as the first course, but its duration is of 125 days and is specifically devised for students appearing in 2020 mains. Our third and fourth courses contain 25 and 15 tests each. However, they do not include notes and video lectures. What makes us special? We assure you the best guidance and mentorship possible by a thoroughly professional team. Any course you take up will be customized as per your study schedule. Personal mentorship with adequate attention and time for each aspirant with unlimited interactive sessions will make your learning process meaningful, effective, and exciting. You can have a look at our sample notes and also take a free evaluation test. Demo video lectures will be uploaded on our website soon. To know more about us or to subscribe to any of our courses, feel free to call or WhatsApp us on 98321 78102. Hope to see you on board with us soon.